What's up, everybody? Okay, sorry this is a bit late. I had to do it late at night last night because I've been working. Papa got me working. Anyway, it's that time of month again where we get the free assets from Unreal Engine, and we start off here with Arinteria, Palace Hall, multiplayer, combat, safe house, and quest edited plugin. Cool. The first one is Arc Interior. Now these are high resolution. They're beautiful. They really are beautiful. If you're looking for apartments and stuff, this is pretty damn cool. GI baked, cool. 4K textures. I mean, this is a real nice one. This is a real cool one. If this is kind of what you're after, the realism of it, and it's always too clean for me. But I love these kind of things. You can dirty them up. Then you get the Palace Hall. This one is impressive, man. This is really beautiful. Now, this is something I would personally dirty up and use for a horror game. It's got that kind of horror feel to it, but you can dirty this one up nicely, nicely. Some beautiful assets there, and once again, you've got the video. So this is beautiful, man. Beautiful, quite realistic, very beautiful. But I would dirty the hell out of this one. Some nice statues, cool things, beautiful, nice. Yeah, pretty damn cool. Then we get the basic multiplayer Mele Combat system, which is pretty cool. You get a lot of videos, tutorial videos and whatnot. So if you're into this kind of thing and you need something to set up quick Mele Combat, it's got you covered. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now this one is the one that I was looking forward to. This one is the one that I would use. Look at this thing, man. It's a ton of assets. A ton of different assets. Look at that. It's insane. Once again, we got the video, but I mean, there's just every little asset. This is the kind of style I like. I like this kind of gritty, horror, outhouse, whatever it is. But this is it, and look how nice these assets are, man. You've got assets for everything. It's all these little assets that you don't think about or that you have to create. This saves you a ton of time creating those like nicely detailed places. This is awesome. It's awesome. So this is probably my favorite of the month. This is incredible, and this one I can't wait to use. Awesome little assets, cool things, and guns. You got them guns. So beautiful. And then the last thing we've got is this quest editor plugin where you can create quests very quickly and easily. They've done all the framework and pretty damn easy, which is pretty cool. So once again, man, even if you don't own Unreal Engine or whatever, make an account, download it. Remember, you can use all of these assets. If they're not made by Epic, you can use them all in other programs and stuff. You just got to know how to export them and change the maps if they compressed or whatever into channels. But otherwise, great. It's awesome. I can't believe they still give away all this stuff. Anyway, hope this helps, and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye, guys.